Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I have this beautiful home that my wife just got as a listing. It's in Southwest Cape Coral and it has 3 bedrooms, 2 bath and a double car garage and a pool. So if you're new to my videos, what I technically do with the listings, when I get a new listing, I go around the home and then we move inside the house. So let's go. Over here you see the AC. You got your side entrance to the garage. You have this gate here. The nice thing about this yard is gated, so you have the whole backyard is fenced in. Over here you got your pool equipment, and you're probably wondering what that hose is in the middle of the way. So that hose releases to a sprinkler that they put. During the hurricane, there was a big tree here, and it fell down, and the whole grass was dead. So the owner decided to put new grass, remove the trunk of the tree, and then put new grass all the way around. So it would look a lot nicer. So she did a pretty good job with that. Over here, you can see the screen cage for the pool. We're gonna be moving inside the pool from the other side towards the end of the video. So just stay with me, okay? And here you could also see, the nice size of backyard. Okay, it has a pretty nice backyard, even though it has a pool. A lot of homes that tend to have a pool and then to have a backyard, so this is nice. And look at the condition of the pool area; it's very nice, very well taken care of. Here's the other gate. Now here you can see the other side of the home. That's why I like when I do this listings. I like to show the whole home, all the way around, so that way you don't get any surprises. And this home is, like I said, 2001, and it's only have had one owner. When they built it, it was custom made. They bought the lot and they built a home. So when you get a custom home, they tend to have it tends to be nicer, in a sense that they have nicer things inside. It's not like a cookie cutter. So it's a very unique home. Okay, so now as you come closer, you can see it's very rare to find similar homes like this because it's custom. So that's nice. Over here, we're welcome with this beautiful double French door entrance. Okay, now let's open the door and let's go in. As you come in, you're welcome with this very spacious room here. It's a living room. So this home is all the open concept. A lot of people like that, and they're building this home right now. They're building a lot of homes like this right now, this same concept that is open. That's what most of the people now when they're buying homes look for. So it's a very spacious area when you come in. And let me come over here and stand over here in the corner so you can visualize the size. You see, it's very spacious. Now let me walk over here to the kitchen, show you just a little bit of the kitchen. Then we'll go back and I'll show you the other side. Just want to show you for you to get an idea. Over here, it's a very nice place to have breakfast and read your paper. Check out those windows. That's why you get a custom home. Those windows you see, there's nothing in the middle. It's just all glass towards the pool. So it's very nice. You have a very nice view of the morning when you're sitting there. Now this is the kitchen. Okay, that door leads there to the laundry room and to the garage. So check it out. You got your spotlights. You got that sink. You look where the sink is. They actually put the sink here because they want to look at the pool where they were in the sink. So for families, it's very desirable because if you have kids and they're in the pool and you're working in the kitchen, you're cooking, you could see almost the entire pool from there. So it's very nice. And also it's a nice kitchen in the sense that if you're entertaining and you have guests, when you're in the kitchen, you can see everything that's going on in your dining room and your living room. So it's pretty nice. So see from this angle, see how spacious it is and how high the ceilings are. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to the master bedroom. And let's take a look at it. Okay, as you can see, it has comfort ceilings and is a very big room. If you're looking for a big master bedroom, this could be it because it's very big. Has a lot of windows, so it's nice. See over here in this area here, you have the French door, actually the glass door that leads over to the lanai, and you have windows was looking towards the pool, so that's nice. And here you can see how spacious this room here. Now when I come back, I'm gonna show you from the other angle so you can actually also visualize it. So now let's go through here. This hallway here, you got closet in the right and closet in the left, and then over here to the right you have the shower with a glass door to go in. Then over here to my left, that's the toilet closet, and as you can see inside, you also have also another closet in there. And then over here you got your sink on one side and the sink on the other side, and you had your nice tub in the middle. So now let's walk back and I'll show you that other angle I wanted to show you from the room. So here we go back, we got closet and closet, and check out the size of the room. Now you see how deep it is. Let me go over here in the angle so you can see. It's very big room. Okay, tell me what you think about this home until now. Please comment below. Check out this nice slider with the view of the pool. We'll come back later. Let me show you the other side of the home now. Here's that beautiful glass area that, you know, towards the pool that you can see. It's very nice. Okay, now let's head to the guest bathroom. It's actually a guest bathroom and a pool bathroom. So if you have your kids are playing in the pool, you could actually come in the bathroom and take a shower, and you don't have to walk through all the house to go into, you know, you don't have to wet the whole house when you're going to the bathroom. So that door, let me walk over here and open the door for you so you can see it leads right into the pool area. So see how nice. So they come here, they take their shower, and then they walk into the house and they don't have to wet the whole floor. And then another nice thing is that they have this door here that in case you could lock it right here. It's a pocket door that you lock it, and then if you have people inside the house, they can still use the sink while somebody's taking a shower. Okay, here's one of the rooms, so you can see the size of it. It's a pretty nice size. I mean, it's not those small rooms that you find now in the cookie cutter homes that are very small. This kind of nice size. You have your closet over there, and one of the things that you see, these doors here, they're kind of funny because sometimes they get stuck, and it takes me a little while to open them. So I'm sorry if I got stuck here trying to open it. So now here's the other room. As you can see, it's very nice and spacious too. Current owner uses this as an office, and he has also a day bed there. So you know, if you got guests, you could, you know, they could sleep there. You have that big closet, and let me turn around here so you can see the size of the room. There we go. Okay, so now let's walk over and take a look at the outdoors where the pool area is. Okay, and you step outside, you have all the space here. If you want to have a barbecue or you want to put a TV and just relax outside. Most of the time when you're in Florida, I don't know if you're familiar, if you're planning to come here for the winter, this is where everything happens during the winter months. So most of the people stay outside. They open those sliders and it makes the house becomes parts of the outdoors. So a lot of people enjoy just being outside. Temperature is great during December, January, and February, so it's really nice. So also you can see that they all have shutters, you know, that you could just open and close them. So it's nice. A lot of people that live up north, they like to close all those shutters up, so that way if there's a storm or something, the furniture's not flying all over the place. So you get a lot of afternoon thunderstorms here in the summer. So as you can see here, it's a nice view of the pool. As you can see, it's very well taken care of. So I want to let you guys know that if you want to know the price, feel free to go to the description below. I'm going to put a link that you click on it and you get the full report live. Okay, so let's say you go 3 months from now and the house is still available. When you hit the full report, you're going to still get the live price that it has. Let's say they reduce the price or they increase the price. That link there will take you to a live report. So that way you know if the house is closed, if the house is still active, what's the price, and all the information on it. So feel free to use that. Go in the description below on the price. So let me take a look. Let's take another round of the pool here. So tell me what you think. If you like the video, please hit the like button. I really appreciate that. That will really help me to promote my videos on YouTube. So, and that will make me happy to feel that you actually watched the video and you enjoyed it. So, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I just want to let you know that my wife and I have been doing real estate in Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 20 years. So if you have any questions about this home or any other homes in this area, feel free to contact us. So I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you on the next one.